Hey there, template builder. Sometimes you might want to include or leave out specific parts of your template in your document, and guess what? Documint has a super handy feature called Display Rules to help you with that. Let's walk through an example together. Imagine you want to show a discount message only if a discount is available. First, click on the element you'd like to add a display rule to. Now head over to the Properties pane and hit that Edit Logic button. A pop-up will appear, and that's where the magic happens with display rules. Now let's set your condition. Select the field you want Documint to monitor, like the discount field in this case. Next, pick your operator and the value that works for you. For our discount message, we want it to pop up if the discount is greater than 0. After you've set everything up, just click Save to activate the rule. Now preview your template with a few different sets of data. If there's a discount, you should see the message appear, and if there isn't, the message will be hidden. Pretty cool, right? You can also choose the reverse option and tell Documint not to show an element based on certain conditions. Just click on Not for that display rule, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully created a display rule in Documint. Thanks for tuning in, and let's keep mastering Documint together.